Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Wrike for small teams step by step in 2026. Wrike is especially useful for small teams when you want clarity, speed, and better collaboration. First, set up a simple workspace. Create folders or projects based on your team's main work areas. Don't overcomplicate it. Simple structure works best for small teams. Next, create a project and add tasks. Break work into clear tasks and subtasks. Small teams work better when everyone knows exactly what to do. Now, assign tasks to team members. Every task should have one clear owner. This avoids confusion and duplicate work. After that, set start dates and due dates. Deadlines help small teams stay focused. Realistic timelines reduce pressure and delays. Next, use comments for communication. Discuss work directly inside tasks instead of emails. Use at mentions to notify teammates quickly, then share files inside tasks. Upload documents, links, or images where the work happens. This keeps everything in one place. Now use task status and workflows. Update status like active, in progress, or completed. This gives instant visibility to the whole team. After that, switch to timeline or board view. Timeline helps with scheduling, and board view is great for visual tracking. Choose what fits your team style. Next, enable notifications. Wrike alerts keep everyone updated on changes and deadlines. This is very helpful for small teams. Finally, review progress regularly. Check dashboards or task lists weekly. Adjust priorities when needed. So yeah, using Wrike for small teams means keeping things simple, assigning clear tasks, communicating inside tasks, tracking progress, and reviewing regularly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next guide.